Good evening, all of you. Kisan Bist, good evening, good evening. Mina Ketan Nag. So, everyone getting my voice clearly? Just confirm it. Just write in the chat box. Okay, Raj Sharma is there, Kisan Bist is there. Okay, so all of you know that in this class, what we are going to do. This is class for those who are preparing for this upcoming Scientist B exam by NIC. Okay, and what I am going to do today in this session, I am going to discuss the questions from the aptitude section. Okay, from the paper 2022 in computer science, right? 2022 का जो कंप्यूटर साइंस का पेपर हुआ था उसके एप्टीट्यूड वाले सेक्शन से मैं क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करने जा रहा हूं. ठीक है. सो इन generic section, all of you know that around 42 questions are there. So around 17 questions are from pure quantitative aptitude section and remaining are from reasoning section. So reasoning questions will be discussed separately, and today right now we will discuss questions from the aptitude section. So all of you know, if you are serious for this examination, non-tech part is also important. Level of the questions is not very much difficult, but some general questions, but in some questions a little logic is required. Okay, so if you prepare well, you can solve the questions in examination, right? So what you have to do right now, you will see question here and you have to try it, and then I will explain it. Okay, those who solve the question, kindly write your answer in the chat box so that I get idea that how many students are performing well, how many students are writing the correct answer. Okay, so I request all of you, whatever question you see here, please solve that and provide your answer in the chat box. Okay, so let us see our first question here. So all your concepts of aptitude will be revised. Okay, just recall them, try to solve the problem and provide your answer in the chat box, and then see our solution. Okay, we will provide you the right answer. Okay, so I'm waiting for your answer. This is from mensuration. So it means you have to prepare mensuration, both plane mensuration as well as three-dimensional mensuration. Okay, you must remember all the formulas of area and volume of different figures. Okay, 3D figures as well as plane figures. So a water tank is, okay, you all know that a water tank, what kind of water tank look? Generally we have cylindrical type water tank as well as a cuboid type water tank. Okay, so a water tank is 30-meter long, 20-meter wide and 12-meter deep. So it is in the form of a cuboid. Okay, you can make the figure that this water tank is in the shape of a cuboid like this one. Okay, so length, this is length, suppose this is width and this is the depth. Okay, or we can call it a height also, depth or height we can say it. Okay, so LBH parameters are there in cuboid. Now this tank is open at the top, so this is the top section. Okay, and this is open from this side, and remaining all surfaces we have, okay, 4 lateral surfaces and 1 bottom we have open from the top side. So we can calculate the total surface area of this open tank. So total surface area, okay, total surface area will include 4 lateral surfaces as well as 1 base, right? So base area is length into width using the rectangular formula. So LB, okay, plus now we have this lateral side, this one. So width into height, okay, and double, okay, in opposite side also we have one figure. So 2BH or plus this L and H, and same in the opposite side. So 2LH. This will be the total surface area, okay, and we have L equal to 30 meter. This is 30, L equal to, this will become B equal to 20, and this H equal to 12. So compute this total surface area first of all. So anyone, please tell me what is this total surface area you are getting? Put all the values and compute this total surface area LB plus 2BH plus 2LH. Because tank is open from the top side, so we need not to consider this area. Kisan, what is your answer you are getting here? You have to do calculation, okay? I will not do much calculation. I want from your side. Now, after computing this area, what thing is next? This total surface is to be made, okay, by a iron sheet, okay, and it is 3 meter wide, okay. So iron sheet is 3 meter wide. So suppose we have a rectangular iron sheet. This is iron sheet which we are using, okay. So it's wide, 3 meter wide means width is 3, and suppose its L length is L, okay. So the area of the rectangular iron sheet will be 3 into L. So this 3 into L is equal to, okay, this area is to be utilized in making this tank. So this 3 into L is equal to this area, okay. So both are equal. This equal to 3L. Now we can calculate length of the sheet, L equal to. Now if we calculate the length of the sheet, then cost of iron sheet is 10 per meter, rupees 10 per meter. So we can multiply this L with this 10 to get the total cost of the iron sheet. Okay. So you will get the answer as option A. Kindly solve this problem. Now let us see second question. I hope all of you can do this calculation now. Okay, so one student provided us answer 6,000. Very good. It is the right answer. Mina Ketan Nag, right. So now let us move to the second question. Just see second question. So partnership rule. Okay, you must remember what is the formula for partnership rule. Okay, so we have a simple formula for partnership. Suppose two friends or two person involved in some partnership, so they both give some amount initially, okay. Friends, they can invest some money, both of them, and for some time they invest, okay. So both may invest for some same time, or both may invest for different times. So at the end they are getting profits, okay. So how their profits are shared between them, okay, this is the formula. So profit P1 upon P2, okay, profit of 1 upon profit of 2 is equal to C1 T1 upon C2 T2. This formula you have to remember. Profit of first person upon profit of second person equal to investment by one person upon investment by second person, or into T1 मतलब time duration for which investment is made by one person, okay. जो भी कंट्रीब्यूशन किया जाता है एक आदमी के द्वारा कितने टाइम के लिए, वो T1 है, और दूसरे के द्वारा दैट इज T2, राइट. सो ये फॉर्मूला हम यहाँ पे यूज करेंगे सीधा. इसको हम कैपिटल भी बोल सकते हैं, जो इन्वेस्टमेंट हम कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, मेनली कैपिटल बोलते हैं कई बार उसको. So Ramesh and Suresh enter into a partnership with a capitals in the ratio 10:12. So ठीक है, C1 upon C2 ratio of their capitals is given as 10/12. This is given to us. Now at the end of 8 months, Ramesh withdraws. Okay, after 8 months, Ramesh withdraws, but another person, Suresh, continues. Suppose Suresh continues for X more month. Okay, so what is T1? T1 is equal to 8. Okay, because Ramesh is contributing for 8 months only. And what is T2? 8 plus X, because Suresh is contributing for X more months. Okay, both time we will keep in months, right? Now, what they are asking, profits in the ratio of 10/18. So profit of Ramesh and Suresh is in the ratio 10/18. So we can say P1 upon P2 equal to 10/18. So now using this formula, you can compute the value of X. All of you can compute the value of X. Okay. So what you are getting? Value of X, tell me. And after calculating value of X, what they are asking, find how long Suresh in capital was used. So answer will be 8 plus X, because Suresh capital was used for 8 plus X months. So Raj Sharma has provided us answer 12. Any other student who getting the answer, tell us, please. Meena Ketan Nag, your answer? Everything I have written here, you have to just make the calculation, calculate X, and then final answer will be 8 plus X. ठीक है, कितने टाइम के लिए इन्वेस्टमेंट किया है इसने, सुरेश ने, सुरेश का कैपिटल कितने टाइम के लिए यूज हुआ है. सो टोटल 12 मंथ हमारा आंसर आएगा डी. ऑल ऑफ यू प्लीज कंप्यूट इट. नाउ कम टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. So problems on boards. So please note down that these are the important topics for your exam. Problems on boards. You must know upstream flow, downstream flow. Okay. And then you can calculate easily every answer of this topic, boards and streams. In our regular class, we will discuss this topic in detail. So right now, what we use, what formula we use, V. This V symbol we generally use for speed of a boat in still water, speed of a swimmer or boat in still water. Okay, that is V. Speed of the stream. Okay, you remember, you note down these points. This V is speed of boat or swimmer. Okay, in still water. If water is not moving, then speed is V. And what is X? It is speed of stream or current. Speed of stream or water or current. Now, in case of downstream flow, the boat moves in the same direction in which water is moving. So downstream speed is, okay, downstream speed of boat is equal to, it is now more, because the water is also supporting the flow of boat. Okay, so it is V plus X. Remember this. And upstream speed. So in case of upstream, boat moves opposite to the flow of water. Okay, so it is V minus X. So please remember these notations. Now in this problem, what is given to us? A man rows downstream at 20 km/h. So downstream matlab V plus X. This is downstream speed equal to 20. Okay. Now upstream is 15. So V minus X is equal to 15. So if at what speed he can row in still water? So they are asking V, speed in still water V. So we have to eliminate X. So add them, add the two equations. So 2V equal to 35. So V equal to 17.5 km/h. So A option will be the right answer. Kisan Bist non-technical is same for all profiles. Yes, almost same, but the way of asking question is slight different in NIC. In some questions, okay, you need to think logically. So topics are same, but variation may be in the type of question. Okay. Now let us see next question number 4. So this is important question. All of you, I request all of you to read this question and try to find out the answer. Okay, important question is there. Just all of you read this question carefully and try to find out the answer. Very interesting question. And this is from the topic we can say set theory. Set theory में जो वेन डायग्राम्स के ऊपर हम क्वेश्चन बनाते हैं, so anyone who got the answer, please tell us. Important question, interesting question. So I hope all of you have heard, you have solved problems on sets, Venn diagram. Okay, that this number of people like this number of people like this. Okay, at least one, at most one, exactly one, neither. All these cases we study in set theory, Venn diagram. So this problem is based on that concept. Okay, what we have to do? We have to make a Venn diagram, right? So the following question is based on the information given below. Data of 450 candidates, all right? There are 450 total candidates in this Venn diagram, right? Now here what things they have given. Sometimes they are saying failed in all subject or failed in this. Sometimes they are saying passed in this. Okay, कहीं पे पास कहीं पे फेल अलग अलग दिया हुआ है. अगर एक जैसा हो कि फेल का ही डाटा दिया हुआ हो, देन प्रॉब्लम इज वेरी इजी. अगर पास वाला ही डाटा दिया हुआ हो कि इतने नंबर इसमें पास हो रहे हैं, इतने नंबर इसमें पास हो रहे हैं, देन आल्सो इट इज इजी. ओके, बट दे हैव मिक्स्ड द टू थिंग्स. ओके, सो let us make 3 circles representing number of people who failed. Okay, number of people who failed. Okay, so what are the subjects? Social science. So this circle represents social science. This circle represent number of students who failed in social science. Then we have mathematics. So here mathematics, number of students who failed in mathematics. And then we have science. 3 subjects are there. Okay. Now, if you go in the downward side, you see passed in science only. This is important point. Okay, passed in science only. So 52 students are there who passed in science only. There are 3 subjects. Okay, there are 3 subjects. So who passed in science only, जो केवल साइंस में पास हुए हैं, ऐसे 52 स्टूडेंट्स है. इसका मतलब दे हैव फेल्ड इन अदर 2 एग्जामिनेशन. जो बाकी बच्चे हैं वो ये 52 जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो कौन से हैं? जो साइंस में पास हुए हैं केवल, और बाकी दोनों में क्या हुए हैं? फेल्ड. ठीक है ना? तो ये इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट यहां पे है कि पास किसमें? साइंस में, ओनली साइंस में. ठीक है ना। और फेल किस में हुए हैं, ये 52 जो है ये फेल हुए हैं आपका सोशल साइंस एंड मैथमेटिक्स, ठीक है। तो ये कहां पे होंगे, जो दोनों में फेल हुए हैं, सोशल साइंस एंड मैथमेटिक्स फेल्ड इन बोथ बट नॉट इन साइंस। सो ये वाला जो रीजन है आपका ना, दिस वन 52 यहां पे आएंगे ये, ठीक है। ये वाले स्टूडेंट्स कौन से हैं, ये जो फेल हुए हैं किसमें, सोशल साइंस एंड मैथमेटिक्स, बट डिड नॉट फेल इन साइंस, राइट। नाउ passed in maths only, 48 passed in maths only, जो केवल मैथ में पास हुए हैं। सो इट मींस these 48 passed in failed in social science as well as science, दोनों में फेल हुए हैं, मैथ में फेल नहीं हुए हैं, ठीक है। तो ये रीजन जो है आपका, ये बोथ दिस एंड दिस बट नॉट दिस, ये वाला रीजन। सो हियर वी हैव 48 स्टूडेंट्स एंड देन वी हैव पास्ड इन सोशल साइंस ओनली। सो इसका मतलब फेल इन मैथ एंड साइंस बट नॉट इन सोशल साइंस। सो दिस नंबर इज 62. Okay, these three entries are important in this problem after reading the problem carefully. Now what they are asking, how many failed in two subjects only, कितने ऐसे स्टूडेंट हैं जो केवल दो सब्जेक्ट में फेल हुए हैं। those two subjects may be any, may be social science and math or science and math or social science and science, right, जो दो सब्जेक्ट में फेल हुए हैं। so 52 these have been failed in two subjects only, this and this but not in this. So we have to find this 52 number plus 48, ये भी फेल हुए हैं दो ही सब्जेक्ट में, और प्लस 62. If we add these, what we are getting, that is the answer. How many failed in two subjects only, जो केवल दो सब्जेक्ट में फेल हुए हैं, सब्जेक्ट के नाम मेंशन नहीं है, ठीक है। It means these or these or these, so we have to add all the three. So what we are getting? We are getting 162 as the sum. So A is the answer. We need not to go in detail of another data. Only this information is sufficient for providing us the answer of this question. So very good. Raj Sharma, Mina Ketan got the answer. Very good. Nice. So this question was logically important question. Okay. In exam, you may get confused. So read the question carefully. Try to extract the information that is relevant for you. Now let us see next question number 5. So note down this Venn diagram based, this type of question are important for your examination for NIC Scientist B post. Very, very important this topic is. Okay. Now question number 5. So just read this question and then we will discuss the solution. So in this question, all of you just try to recall your knowledge, whatever things you know. So Ravi Kumar is providing us the answer. Very good. Any other student who got the answer? Tell us. So this is from mixture and alligation topic. If you know the alligation rule, you can easily solve this problem. Okay, mixture and alligation topic. So let us discuss now the solution. Gold is 19 times as heavy as water. So we can say that gold is equal to 19W. G equal to 19W. We can say gold means G equal to 19W. Copper is 9 times as heavy as water. Okay, copper is equal to 9 times of W. So we have two varieties of things, gold and copper. Now we are mixing them. Okay, so what I do, I am writing here copper. Okay, copper, that is 9W. And we have gold, that is 19W. In terms of W, there may be any value of W, we don't know. Okay, so in terms of W, we calculate both copper and gold. So we have 9W copper, 19W gold. We are mixing them. And after mixing, so question arises that in what ratio? what should be the ratio of copper upon gold or gold upon copper. Okay, so in what ratio we should mix them so that the mixture, okay, so that these metal be mixed, so that the mixture may be 15 times as heavy as water. So mixture become 15W. So this is the mean price, cheaper price, dearer price, mean price concept that we have used here. So now what we do in allegation rule, we take the difference of these two. So 19 minus 15 is 4W. Okay, and then we take the difference of these two. So this minus this. So 15 minus 9, 6W. So now ratio of copper, okay, this is copper na. So copper upon gold, ratio of copper upon gold is equal to 4W upon 6W, that is 2 upon 3. But in this question, in what order they are asking? They have mentioned gold first, okay, and then they have mentioned copper. So it means they want in that order, they want the answer in that ratio, in that order, that gold upon copper. So gold upon copper will be 3 upon 2. So A 3:2 will be the right answer. So please prepare this mixture and allegation formula. This is important for your exam. Now let us see next question. So now again we can see that interesting thing that they did not ask directly the question. Okay, a little change they made. We have to understand it and we have to convert it into the allegation problem. Now next question is this problem from pipes and cisterns. Very simple question is there. So just tell me the answer. If you know the basic concept of pipes and cistern, then what is the answer here? Three pipes A, B and C can fill a cistern in 8 minutes, 12 minutes, 16 minutes. So क्या करते हैं इसमें, देखो हम बहुत ही सिंपल प्रॉब्लम है. अगर मैं कंसेप्ट को डिस्कस करूं यहाँ पे, ठीक है ना, इफ आई डिस्कस द कंसेप्ट, सो पाइप ए कैन फिल ए सिस्टर्न इन 8 मिनट. अगर ए को अकेला यूज करते हैं, इट कैन फिल द सिस्टर्न इन 8 मिनट. सो कंप्लीट सिस्टर्न, ओके, कंप्लीट सिस्टर्न इज 1. This is suppose cistern 1. We are complete is 1. Okay, totally filled is 1, right? So in A, in 8 minutes can fill 1 cistern. So A in 1 minute, A in 1 minute. How much part of the cistern? 1 by 8. It can fill 1 by 8 part of the cistern. Similarly, B in 1 minute can fill how much? 1 by 12. C in 1 minute can fill how much? 1 by 16. ठीक है, एक एक मिनट में तीनों कितना फिल कर सकते हैं पोर्शन, दैट वी हैव रिटन हियर. सो इफ ऑल द थ्री आर ओपन टुगेदर, ओके, सो इन 1 मिनट टोटल portion filled will be equal to what? This plus this plus this. So in 1 minute total portion is 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 12 or plus 1 upon 16. Okay, so in exam we need not write all these things, we can directly write this one. Okay, we have to add these three numbers. Now what is the LCM of 8, 12, 16? It is 48. So 8 6 is 48, 12 4 is 48 and 16 3 is 48. So it is 13 upon 48, right? So in 1 minute they are filling 13 upon 48 portion. So time required to fill the entire cistern will be 48 upon 13. Okay, so 48 upon 13. Divide this, you will get the answer. So Kisan is getting 3.7, Raj is getting A option. Very good. A is the right answer. So pipe and cistern you have to prepare, simple concept. And in some problem they may also give you that one is leaking, there is some leak. Okay, so in how much time that can empty the tank, this kind of problems also they can give you. So you have to solve. And in our regular module, live classes, those who have joined live classes, so we will provide you all these chapters, okay, and you can prepare them well for this exam. Now, which largest number of 5 digits is divisible by 99? So you can try to divide. कौन सा नंबर ऐसा है 5 डिजिट का जो 99 से पूरा डिवाइड हो सकता है? So Kisan, you are regular student, you have joined the module. Have you joined that? Kisan based. Okay, Raj Sharma is answering D option. Very good. So you can try by dividing by 99, and you can see that if we divide this by 99, first number suppose we are dividing, from this we can get the idea. Okay, so 99999. Let us try to divide this. So one time 99 1 ja 99. So we will get 0. Now we will take 9. But if we take 9, it is not divisible, so we need to write 0 here. Now again 9. Okay, so now 1 times 99. We are getting remainder 9. We are getting remainder 9 na. So it means we need to subtract 9 to make this divisible. So such number is this one. Okay, 99990 will become exactly divisible by 99. Simple problem. Now let us see next question, number 8. Total number of digits used in numbering the pages of a book having 366 pages. So tell me the answer here. All of you compute this. Okay, Raj is getting 792. Total number of digits used in numbering the pages of a book having 366 pages. कुल कितनी डिजिट हम यूज करेंगे अगर 366 पेजेस की एक बुक हम बनाते हैं? सो मुथु कुमार इज गेटिंग 990. वेरी गुड. So all of you have tried. Page number 1. We will start from page number 1. Na? Page number 1, 2, 3, page number 9. So all these are single digit numbers. So we need 9 digits. Okay. In each page, we need 1 digit. So total 9 digits are required. Okay. Now we will do numbering from 10 to 99. Okay. So here each page contain a page number of 2 digits. So how many numbers are there between 10 and 99, including both? So this minus this plus 1. If someone asks you how many numbers are there between A and B, including both A and B, so that is B minus A plus 1. Remember this important point. Okay. So how many total numbers will be there from 10 to 99, including both? So 99 minus 10 plus 1. So that will become 90. So there will be total 90 such pages. Now each page is of 2 digits. So number of digits will be 2 into 90. 2 into 90 equal to 180. Okay. So we have used 9 digit here, 180 digit here. Now come to 3 digit pages. So it will start from 100. 3 digit page will start from 100. And we have to go up to 366. So first of all, we have to calculate number of pages. So again, this minus this plus 1. 366 minus 100 266 plus 1, so 267, and each page is of 3 digit, so into 3 multiplied by 3, so 801. Okay, so now we can add these three numbers, this plus this plus this, so 990 will be our right answer. So Raj Sharma, is this clear to you? How we got this answer 990? Why not this 792? Total digits we have used here is 990. Okay, very good. So now let us see next question number 9. Again, important, interesting, conceptual question is there. So try to find out the answer of this. All of you read the question carefully, try to solve it and tell your answer in the chat box. Anyone who got the answer, tell me. Okay, Kisan Bist is providing some answer. The statement which is necessarily true, matlab always true, according to the given details. So now I am going to explain this. First of all, 10x, we have total 10x and we want to distribute them in the ratio 1, 2, 3, 4. So this total sum is also 10. So it means one of them will get one egg, one is okay, one of them will get 2x, 3x, 4x. Okay, there are 4 people, one of them will get one egg, another 2 egg, 3 egg, 4 egg. But it is not clear that who will get one egg out of A, B, C, D, because they are not distributing in the order, they are distributing randomly. Okay, we have 4 people, A, B, C, D. Anyone may get 3 eggs, okay, another may get 2 eggs, and so on. So randomly we are distributing. Now what information we have? It is known that A gets less X than B. Okay, so A gets less than B, right? Okay, and C gets more X than D. Okay, if A gets half the number of X of B. So this is important point I found here. A gets half the number of X of B. So here we have only 2 cases. This is half of this and this is half of this. So there can be 2 possibility only. Okay, we can have 2 possibility that A is getting 1 egg, okay, and B is getting 2 eggs. This is one possibility. Another possibility is that A is getting 2 eggs and B is getting 4 eggs, because it is given to us that A gets half the number of eggs of B. So only the 2 cases may be there. Now, suppose this is the case that A is getting 1 egg, B is getting 2 egg, right? Now it is known that A gets less X than B. Okay, so it is clear here, A gets less than B, right? And C gets more X than D. So C is getting more than D. Okay, so 1, 2 already given. So out of 3 and 4, C get more than D. So C is 4 and D is 3. So this will be the distribution. Okay. Now in another case, C gets more X than D. So C gets more X than D. So here C get 4 and D get 3. 2 and 4 already given. Okay, so 2 and 4 already given, this and this given. So we have only 1 and 3, right? Now C gets more than D. So C is getting 3 and D is getting 1. So this will be the distribution. Now, which statement is always true? C gets an even number of X. So here it is true, but here he is getting 3X. So this is not necessarily true. It may be true here, but not in this case. So this is not the answer. Second option is D gets even number of X. So here D is getting 3X. So failed. This is incorrect. Now C gets an odd number of X. So here C is getting 4X. So this also failed. Not correct. Now D gets an odd number of X. So in this case D is getting 3X. In this case D is getting 1X. So this is the right answer, which is always true, because D is always getting odd number of X. Okay. So you can see the concept of the question. Now directly this is from the topic ratio and proportion, but some logic is also required. Common sense is also required. Okay. Now let us move to next question number 10. So this is from train. Okay. So one problem we found from boards, another from trains. Okay. So you must know basic concept of trains, and in regular class like we will discuss problems on trains. Okay, different cases. Right now, how we can solve this problem? So if you have knowledge of the concept, please tell me the answer in the chat box. This is class is one kind of testing also. Okay, testing your knowledge, how you can solve the random question if you get. So try to solve the question and write your answer in the chat box. Okay, so in case of train, a train moving at 50 km per hour crosses a bridge in 45 seconds. So this length is in meter, this is in second. So let us convert this speed in meter per second. We know that 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 5 by 18 meter per second. We all know this, na? 1 kilometer per hour equal to 5 by 18 meter per second. So speed of the train is 50 kilometer per hour. So it means 50 into 5 by 18 meter per second. This is the speed of the train. Speed equal to this one. Okay. Now this train crosses a bridge in 45 seconds. Okay. So time t is equal to 45 seconds. Now while crossing the bridge, how much total distance driver has to cover? So that distance is equal to, when a train crosses the bridge, so distance is equal to length of the train, okay, and plus length of the bridge. Okay, so length of the train is already given as 150, and the length of the bridge is suppose x. So 150 plus x meter. This distance is to be covered in 45 seconds. So using the formula distance equal to speed into time, we can compute x equal to. Okay. So what answer you are getting? Anyone? In this case, the total distance is taken as length of the bridge plus length of the train. And suppose train is crossing a pole or a man standing on the platform, man. So then we take only the length of the train here in the distance formula. So solve it immediately. Tell me the answer in the chat box and then we'll move to the next question. Now, anyone? Kisan Best, your answer to this problem? What is x equal to? Length of the bridge. Distance equal to speed into time you have to use. And now let us see next question. I hope all of you can solve this now. Okay, this equal to this into this करके solve करना है, x निकालना है, ठीक है. Okay, Muthu Kumar is getting 475. So this one student is telling this answer. So kindly check it. If you okay, another also getting 475. So this will be the answer. Now let us move to the next question number 11. So this is from height and distance topic. So in 10th class mathematics we study this, on aptitude section also we generally study this height and distance basic formula you must know. So just read the question once. The tops of two poles are connected by a wire. The height of the poles are 10 meter and 14 meter. Okay, we have two poles. Suppose this is ground, this is one pole, this is another pole. एक की लेंथ कितनी है 10 मीटर है और एक की कितनी हाइट है 14 मीटर है लेंथ, ठीक है. इसके टॉप को अगर हम हॉरिजेंटली ऐसे ड्रॉ करें, ये अब दोनों के टॉप्स को ज्वाइन कर दिया हमने वायर के थ्रू. दिस इज ए वायर, ठीक है. The tops of two poles are connected by a wire, right? If the wire makes 30-degree angle with the horizontal, so this angle is 30 degree. Okay, and this total is 14, this is 10, so this is also 10, so remaining is 4. If we need it, we can write here it's 4, and this below is 10, right? Total is 14, this one. Now what they are asking, find the length of the wire. So they are asking this one, okay? What is this length of the wire L? So we all know sine 30 degree. Sine 30 degree is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So 4 upon L. Okay, sine 30 degree is equal to, for this 30 degree, this will be the perpendicular or upon में hypotenuse L. So sine 30 is 1/2 equal to 4 upon L. So L equal to 8 meter. Very simple question. Okay, just knowledge of sine theta, cos theta formulas. Now, next question we can see, question number 12. What is the compound interest on rupees this for 2 years at the rate of interest 4% per annum? So just think, do you remember the formula for compound interest? You have to recall right now. Okay. What is the formula for compound interest? So in case of compound interest, have you recalled the formula? Have you written that in your notebook immediately? जो formula use करते हैं उसको लिखना है अपनी notebook में immediately. Compound interest computation का. So in that we know that amount. We have a formula for amount. Okay, equal to principal into 1 plus r upon 100 to the power n. Okay, ये formula हम use करते हैं. A is the amount, P is the principal, R is the rate of interest, and N is the number of time units. Okay, rate of interest we are taking per annum, compounding is we are doing annually. Okay, and time is 2 years. So this amount will be equal to principal, that is 2500, or into 1 plus R, that is 4 upon 100 to the power 2. N is equal to 2 years. Okay, so 2. This will be the formula for amount. But they are asking compound interest. So what is compound interest? Compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. So this minus 2500. So let us take 2500 common. If we take 2500 common, so we get 1 plus 4 upon 100 whole square minus 1. Now using the identity a plus b whole square, okay, a square plus b square plus 2ab, you will simplify this and you will get the compound interest value. Use identity a plus b whole square here. I hope all of you can solve this now. Now come to next question number 13. I think 204 will be the answer. Just solve it and verify. Now, this is problem from age. So important point is that in this NIC exam, I have analyzed that problems on ages, generally many questions they ask. Okay, in 21 also they asked, 22 they also asked. Okay, so problems on ages, simple concept, you must recall, you must prepare for that. Okay, and such questions you can solve using the options also. ओके, एग्जाम में ऑप्शंस की हेल्प से भी सॉल्व कर सकते हो, एंड आल्सो बाय फॉर्मिंग द इक्वेशन. So tell me the answer. If you are able to solve this, please tell me the answer in the chat box. Four years ago, a man was 6 times as old as his son. Okay, 4 साल पहले एक आदमी की एज उसके लड़के की एज से 6 गुना ज्यादा थी. ठीक है, और 16 साल के बाद वो डबल हो जाएगा अपने लड़के की एज का. तो प्रेजेंट एज बताना है मैन का और सन का. अगर हम ऑप्शन के हिसाब से देखें, ठीक है ना, तो प्रेजेंट एज अगर हमने सपोज ये है कि 31 और ये बच्चे का एज है 9, तो 4 years एगो 4 साल पहले इसकी एज कितनी थी 30 और ये कितना था 5. तो 5 टाइम्स 6 टाइम्स हो गया नहीं उसका ये. ठीक है, तो पहला स्टेटमेंट यहाँ पे वेरीफाई हो रहा है. राइट, अब दूसरा क्या है, फर्स्ट तो वेरीफाई हो गया ये वाला. दूसरा क्या, आफ्टर 16 years. सो आफ्टर 16 years 34 अभी प्रेजेंट में है, प्लस 16 करेंगे 50 years हो जाएगा फादर का एज, और इसका कितना हो जाएगा 9 + 16 25. तो ये इसका डबल हो जा रहा है. सो ए इज द राइट आंसर. ठीक है, ऑप्शन वाइज चेक करके भी आप कर सकते हो, या इक्वेशन फ्रेम करके सॉल्व कर सकते हो. तो ये करने हैं आपको, एजेस के ऊपर क्वेश्चंस करने हैं बहुत सारे, एग्जाम में आपको हेल्प करेंगे. ओके, नाउ लेट अस सी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. So this is also important question. Very important question, and conceptual question is there. Just try to understand the logic and tell me the answer. And ये जो ऑप्शन है ए यहाँ पे 77 राइट 1/3, ये ऑप्शन ये है. ठीक है, ध्यान से. सो क्या लॉजिक यहाँ पे यूज होगा, देखो इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. इन ए रेस ऑफ 600 मीटर, 600 मीटर की रेस है, ए कैन बीट बाई 50 मीटर. ओके, सो ए बी को हराता है. ठीक है ना, ए कैन बीट मीन्स बी हार जाता है, ए जीत जाता है. कितने 50 मीटर से, मतलब ए 60-100 चलता है. ए कितना चलता है 600. ठीक है, और बी कितना चलता है, ए चलता है 600 और बी कितना चलता है बी, ये चलता है 50 कम, मतलब 550 सेम टाइम में. ठीक है, दोनों सेम टाइम दिया जाता है, उतने टाइम में ये 600 मीटर पूरा कर लेता है, और दूसरा जो 50 मीटर पीछे रह जाता है, मतलब उतने टाइम में ये 550 करता है. तो इनका जो स्पीड का रेशियो है, ठीक है, वो क्या होगा आपका वी ए, ठीक है, अपॉन बी वी इक्वल टू दिस अपॉन दिस. ठीक है, तो 60/55 और इक्वल टू 12/11. दोनों की स्पीड का रेशियो यहां से हम निकाल सकते हैं. ठीक है, डिस्टेंस हमें पता है, टाइम सेम है, तो डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम से स्पीड इसकी बनेगी, और टाइम इसका भी सेम है. ठीक है, तो वी ए अपॉन वी वी इक्वल टू दिस अपॉन दिस इक्वल टू दिस अपॉन दिस. नाउ इन अनदर रेस ऑफ 500 मीटर, दूसरी रेस 500 मीटर की हो रही है. ठीक है, ये वाली, तो बी चलता है 500. कितना चलता है 500 मीटर, और उतने ही टाइम में ये सी को हराता है, और सी 60 मीटर से हारता है. तो सी कितना चला होगा -60. ठीक है ना, 500 - 60 मतलब 440. ठीक है, बी चला 500 पूरा, विनर हो गया, सी चलता है 60 कम, सो 440। तो स्पीड ऑफ वी और अपॉन में स्पीड ऑफ सी इक्वल टू, यहां से क्या लिख सकते हैं हम, 0 से 0 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 25/22। तो इन दोनों की स्पीड का रेशियो आ गया और ये वाला आ गया हमारे पास। नाउ बाई देन बाई हाउ मेनी मीटर्स विल ए बीट सी, तो हमें ए और सी की स्पीड का रेशियो निकालना है ना पहले, ठीक है ना। विल ए बीट सी इन रेस ऑफ 400 मीटर्स। सो वी ए अपॉन बी बी डिवाइडेड बाई, अच्छा एक काम करते हैं यहाँ पे, हमने वी ए निकाला है तो यहां से बी वी निकालते हैं, बी बी, इससे बी वी इक्वल टू कितना आएगा, यहां से 11/12 इंटू वी ए, यहां से आया इस रिलेशन से, और यहां से बी वी कितना आया, बी वी इक्वल टू 25/22 वी सी, ठीक है, और दोनों वी वी सेम है। सो इसका मतलब हमें रिलेशन मिला 11/12 वी ए इक्वल टू 25/22 वी सी। 2 से कैंसिल कर सकते हैं 6 टाइम्स और ये 11 टाइम्स। सो व्हाट इज वी ए, व्हाट इज वी ए अपॉन वी सी इक्वल टू, वी ए अपॉन वी सी इक्वल टू 6 इंटू 25 150 डिवाइडेड बाई 11 इंटू 11 121। ये दोनों की स्पीड का रेशियो आ जाएगा, ठीक है। अब 400 मीटर की रेस होती है, हमें क्या करना है, देन बाई हाउ मेनी मीटर्स विल ए बीट सी इन रेस ऑफ 400 मीटर्स। सो ए जो है 400 मीटर कंप्लीट कर लेता है, सपोज ए क्या करता है, ए 400 मीटर पूरा कर लेता है, ठीक है। स्पीड कितनी है उसकी, स्पीड वी ए है, ठीक है। यहां से देखेंगे हम 150/121 है ना, तो हम इसको मान लेते हैं सपोज वी ए को कि ये 150x है सपोज, और वी सी को 121x, ऐसे मान लेते हैं स्पीड्स को, दोनों की एक्चुअल वैल्यू जो स्पीड की है, बिकॉज वी फाउंड द रेशियो, हमने रेशियो निकाला है, ठीक है। तो एक्चुअल में इसको 150x माना, इसको 121x मान लिया सपोज। अभी इसमें टाइम कितना लगेगा, ए ने 400 मीटर की रेस को कंप्लीट करना है तभी विनर होगा ना, ठीक है। तो कितने टाइम में करेगा, 400 अपॉन दिस 150, ठीक है। एक्स को 1 भी ले सकते हैं, कोई वैल्यू ले, अल्टीमेटली कैंसिल ही होना है, तो ये 400 अपॉन 150, एक्स को मैंने 1 लिया तो ये आ जाए, ठीक है। ये क्या आएगा, टाइम, टाइम टेकन बाय ए टू कंप्लीट दिस रेस, यहां से यहां तक जाने में 400 चलने में इतना टाइम लग रहा है। अब उतने ही टाइम में, टाइम सेम है, सी कितना ट्रेवल करेगा, तो सी की स्पीड 121 है, तो इंटू अगर 121 करेंगे तो ये क्या आ जाएगा, डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड बाय सी, ठीक है। अब ये इतना डिस्टेंस सी ने ट्रेवल किया है और ए ने किया है 400, तो मान लिया सी यहां तक आया है, तो इतने डिस्टेंस से विनर कौन हुआ, ए हुआ ना। सो ये कैसे निकलेगा, 400 माइनस दिस वन। अब आप कर सकते हो अपने आप, टोटल 400 में से माइनस कर दो इसको, ठीक है, तो ये आपका आंसर आ जाएगा। गोट इट, बताइए जरा एक बार चैट बॉक्स में, समझ में आया क्वेश्चन कैसे करना था ये। सो ए ऑप्शन आपका मैच करेगा अगर आप फाइनल इसको सॉल्व कर लोगे। नाउ लेट अस सी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 15। Yes, questions are not tough, Subhajit. If you prepare well, you can solve questions in exam. So now tell me the answer of this. If this number is divisible by 9, find the value of digit marked as x. ठीक है, ये नंबर जो है 9 से डिविजिबल है, तो इसके लिए आपको x बताना है कि x क्या होगा। सो डिविजिबिलिटी रूल्स आपको पढ़ने हैं, डिविजिबिलिटी बाय 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, ये सब पढ़ना है एक बार। और अगर आपको डिविजिबिलिटी रूल्स आते हैं देन यू कैन इजीली सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम। सो व्हाट इज द रूल फॉर डिविजिबिलिटी बाय 9? जस्ट रिकॉल, a number is said to be divisible by 9 if the sum of digits of the number is divisible by 9. This is the rule. Okay, so we add the digits. So 6 plus 4 10 plus 7 17 or plus 4 21 or plus x. So we have 21 plus x. This is the sum of digits, sum. Now for this number to be divisible by 9, this sum must be divisible by 9. So we know that if we take x equal to 6, 21 plus 6, 27 is a multiple of 9. So we need to take x equal to 6 so that this number will become divisible by 9. So very simple question is there and many students answered it correctly. Very good. So now let us move to next question, question number 16. So this is from average, very simple problem from average. If you know the concept of average, you can easily solve this. So what is the average of first 5 multiples of 12? 12 के जो पहले 5 मल्टीपल्स होंगे ना, सो देखो पहला मल्टीपल क्या होगा 12 इंटू 1, नेक्स्ट 12 इंटू 2, ओके 12 इंटू 3, 12 इंटू 4, 12 into 5. These are the first 5 multiples of 12. And if we want to compute their average, so we have to add them. So plus, we have to make plus and divide by, there are total 5. So divide by 5. This will be the answer. Now we can see 12 is common. So we can take 12 common. So 12 upon 5 into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. And this is 9, 12, sum of first 5 numbers, all of you know, 15 hota hai. So 12 upon 5 or into 15. So it is equal to 36. And you can generalize it. Okay, they can also ask you up to 50, up to 100. Okay, so easily you can solve this. You can use the formula of sum of n numbers, sum of n natural numbers here. Okay. Now you can make a formula also for this. What is the average of first 5 multiples? So first n. Okay, first n multiples. Suppose we write n multiples. So what will be the average? You can write and of 12 की जगह यहाँ पे k, of k. This formula can also be made. Okay, first n multiples of k. So suppose you want to understand the concept. First multiple of k is k. Okay, then next one is 2k, 3k, 4k and nk. So this will be the sum of the numbers, sum of the first n multiples of k. Now divide by total number is n. So equal to k upon n into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot 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 plus n. So equal to k upon n into, now sum of first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 upon 2. Okay, so n cancel. So finally we get k into n plus 1 upon 2. Okay, this will be the answer. K into n plus 1 upon 2. Yes, next you have to join a class of computer science. Okay, just last question we have to solve here. So remember this important point. Read this question and solve this, and after this you can join your next technical class. ठीक है, जो भी बच्चे रेगुलर क्लास में हैं अभी उनकी क्लास है वो ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. ये लास्ट क्वेश्चन है, इसको एक बार सॉल्व करो. Sum of present age of Suresh and Dinesh is equal to age of Hema 6 years back. So you can form equations and then you can easily solve the equations. So sum of present age of Suresh and Dinesh. So S plus D, this sum, okay, is equal to the age of Hema 6 years back. So right now age of Hema is H. So 6 years back it was H minus 6. So equal to H minus 6. First equation we formed. Now 5 years from now, okay, 5 years from now, the ratio of age of Suresh. So 5 years from now, okay, 5 years from now. So S plus 5 upon ratio of Suresh and Dinesh. So D plus 5. Age of both will be increased by 5. So S plus 5 upon D plus 5. And this ratio will become equal to 3 upon 2. So this is equation number 2, simple. Now Rajesh is 5 years older than Hema. Okay, Rajesh is 5 years older than Hema. So R equal to 5 plus H. Okay, at present. And his present age is 4 times the present age of Suresh. So equal to, okay, 4R, 4S. हाँ ठीक है, जो राजेश है वो हेमा से 5 साल क्या है, ओल्डर है, एंड हिज प्रेजेंट एज इज 4 टाइम्स द प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ सुरेश. सो आर इक्वल टू 4S. इस तरीके से इक्वेशन की फॉर्म में आप लिख के इनको सोल्व कर सकते हो. नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, this H, you put value of H from here into this equation. ओके, S और D में इक्वेशन बना सकते हो यहाँ पे. और उसके बाद H इक्वल टू कितना आ जाएगा यहाँ से, 4S माइनस 5. वो आप यहाँ पे रख सकते हो. एस डी में इक्वेशन मिलेगी और एक इक्वेशन यहाँ पे है, सोल्व कर सकते हो और S को एलिमिनेट करके D निकाल सकते हो. सो फाइनली आंसर विल बी 1. ओके, नोट कर लो इसका आंसर क्या है, 1. सो दीज आर द क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम एप्टीट्यूड सेक्शन. ये आपको सभी को सोल्व करना है. देखो यहाँ पे, ठीक है, यहां से क्या करना है, H इक्वल टू 4S माइनस 5 को यहाँ पे रखेंगे. SD में रिलेशन आ जाएगा, एक रिलेशन यहाँ पे है, उसमें से आपको S को एलिमिनेट कर देना है तो D इक्वल टू 1 आंसर आ जाएगा. कर सकते हो सोल्व. सो दिस वाज द लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस क्लास एंड आई होप यू हैव got the idea about different kind of questions. And in aptitude section, definitely you can solve the questions. Some questions may be conceptually in which you have to think slightly different in different way. Okay, so when you will study in regular classes, all these things will be discussed chapter wise. We will cover all the topics. Okay, so for these general queries related to this NIC, you can call the executive. Okay, you can visit the website of YourPedia.in and there you will get the number, and also on the screen of this class you may get the number and call on that number, ask all your doubts regarding this NIC examination. Okay, so YourPedia Education has launched a dedicated batch for this NIC preparation. If you are applying for this, if you want to appear for this examination, you must prepare for that. Okay, and detailed classes, regular classes will be conducted and all the queries will be handled on that call. Okay, so now I am ending this class and we will conduct many more classes which will help you in this preparation as well as regular full module for this NIC exam, Scientist B. Okay, all the best.